Hello. So it's day 7 of lockdown in NZ, and I watched Tiger King on Netflix this morning. Got up, edited a video, and then started making a shepherd's pie, which has took me about 2 hours. But it's something to do, innit? So yeah, that is literally what my days consisted of. So at the moment we still don't know if we're going to be able to leave the house in 3 weeks time or not, but I'll show you my shepherd's pie because it's going to be banging. This is my creation. Shepherd's pie.
Shepherd's pie.
Gravy with a bit of horseradish in it. Good morning, or afternoon because it's like 2 o'clock. It's day 8. Out on my own for a walkies again, but this time I actually have a purpose. So we need some stuff from the shop. There's only so much you can do on a computer or so much Netflix you can watch. We finished off Tiger King on Netflix, great watch. That took us to about 3 AM, and that's another reason that I need to go to the shop because we're now out of red wine, and that's obviously a travesty. But yeah, I'm also taking my backpack, my big travel backpack, because I feel like that's the easiest thing to use to transport our groceries back to the bunker. But this is a pretty steep hill, and if you've noticed behind me, and it's quite hot, so I need to get things like potatoes and wine, which are quite heavy, so I feel like maybe I'm going to regret this decision in about an hour and a half, but we'll see. So that was weird. A police car just drove past me like this way, and then like it drove back past that way and turned around, and I got a bit scared because if they come obviously I actually have a genuine reason to be out. I'm going for a walk to exercise, plus I'm going to the shop. It's not as if they would find me or anything, but that was the weirdest thought process, that the police are going to stop me because I'm going for a walk and going to the shop. What the fuck? I'm back at Countdown again, my favourite place. Buzzing! Looks like they're queuing up still, so obviously I don't know what the crack is, because when we went to Pack and Save you just had to sanitise your hands and then you could just go in. So the queue's a bit longer than it was the other day, but oh, what's this? That's nice. Great hair. Oh, hello. Just gonna leave that there. Yep. Hold my poodle. Yeah, so not really like got anything else to do, is it? So guess I'll just wait in the queue. This is so weird, man. This guy is cleaning the trolleys. Security guard with the hand sanitizer. Obviously, so you don't stick your hands in it and spread your germs. Okay, so I'm done in Countdown. This backpack's pretty heavy, not gonna lie. I think it's about 10 or 15 kilos I'm carrying. So yeah, it's exercise if nothing else. It's hot, might be too hot. So I'm nearly back. The only thing I've got to do is tackle this hill. Gonna put on some, just nearly fell over, don't know if you've seen that, shock. Put on some a nuke to try and get me up the hill, but I'll show you. Oh my god, it's happening already. Yep. Making Stamppot, which is
Boerenkool stamppot.
oh, boerenkool.
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 This is boerenkool.
Go on then.
Go on then, let's see them.
Got this.
And these are what?
Gehaktballen.
Gehaktballen.
And bacon.
Aardappel, alright? Bacon. Speck? No? It's not speck?
It's not the same. This is more like ham.
Yeah. That's what I
What
get.
do you do with it? Like,
Big balls.
kind of vegetable, so you cannot have it. They don't have it here.
Which one?
Andijvie.
What's happening?
So you need to make a perfect mountain. It's like solid, so that the gravy is like staying inside. Yeah. Otherwise, it's like.
Takes a while, doesn't it?
5
Yeah,
hours
well, it needs to be perfect.
Food's cold.
I'll just do. Yeah.
And then you can open this one. This is too big, so you make like a hole. In the hole.
The food Kano. Basically.
And then
It's ready.
Wait, you haven't got a meatball though.
well, yeah, well, it's not really like it's not always I eat meatballs with samples. Like one of the things. It's not, I mean, you eat it on the side.
Oh, on the side, you can't put it in the middle.
Well, you
You
can.
can.
But of course, I'm not doing that because I don't like to have my food mixed up. So.
Obviously.
You're gonna have a real vagina.
But it is a traditional way to eat.
Well, I think it's maybe more like.
I think it developed throughout the years, I guess.
Maybe it's more for
but-
kids as well.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
okay.
then your mom is coming because like she's doing it, and then of course like the kids need to wait till I've already had the sample, so they make like this, and then the mom's like
Yeah.
So this is always together.
B, and then the volatiles.
Proud of yourself. Good afternoon. It's about 3 p.m. My day today, made some coffee. We have like a coffee machine here, like a proper one. So I cleaned that. And that was quite exciting. Made some nice coffee. And I thought I'd attempt to draw. I'm not very good at drawing. But I was feeling like I needed like to do something a little bit creative and I couldn't think of anything else. So I tried to draw this view. Don't think I'm going to take up a career as an artist anytime soon, but this is what I came up with. This is the view. This is my attempt at the view. Real one, my one. Real one, my one. Right, so it's time to go to the hairdressers. I'm the hairdresser. Let's see them. Want a new hair? New hair, who does?
So mid side.
Okay.
Oh.
You alright? Just draw on the table.
Just finish this one.
Yeah, very good.
Oh no, I need to remake this one, is it?
Thank you.
Oh yeah.
Old. Okay, next row. Only the pink.
Pinky.
Oh, I missed.
Everybody's like,
Yay!
Shit.